Hello there. So, based on popular demand, I have made this palazzo trouser for you all. Please enjoy this video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you. Now I went ahead to mark my starting line, which will serve as my waistline. From the waistline, I marked my crouched, curved / hip line. From there, I mark 3 inches for my thigh line. It is usually 2 to 3 inches for your thigh line. So from my waist, I went ahead to mark my knee line. My knee line is 21 inches. You can do 22, 23. It's between 20 to 23 depending on your height. Then I went ahead to mark my hem line. For my hem, I want this palazzo to be a very long one, so I added 4 inches to my length. So on my crouch curved / hip line, I marked my hip divided by 4 plus 2 inches. I place the same value on my waistline like this. Then I use that value to create a square like so. Now on this square, I went upward like this by 2 inches. And on my thigh, I did my thigh divided by 2 plus 1. Then I'll use that to create my crouch curve. Just in case you want to confirm, you can use about 1 inch to confirm that. And then on my waist, I went to impute my waist divided by 4 plus 0.5. That will be my ease allowance. This pattern do not have a dart on it, so I'm not going to be putting that. So to create my center line, I went ahead to take whatever measurement I have under my thigh area, divide it by 2 to create my center line like so. I'll also go again to impute whatever I have on my thigh. I'll impute it on my knee line and on my hem line to have the same measurement because it's a palazzo and I want this to have a very free look. Okay, so then I'll connect that point, and then on my hem at that side, I'm just going to have 1 inch mark around that. Then I'll connect with my straight ruler to the hip area. Then I'll go ahead to create my waist slope by 1 inch. I connect that to the side. Now to create your back pattern, you have to divide your thigh by 2 and add 4 inches. Now the back pattern must be higher than the front pattern by 2 inches. That's the line I've created first. And then I make sure that I have 2 inches extra by the sides of the back pattern after I place my front pattern. The next thing you're going to do is to come out by 2 inches for the back pattern, and then I went out here by 2 inches also. Then on the front pattern at the waistline, you're just going to come in by 2 inches like so, and then you go up by 2 inches like this also. So on the 2 inches mark, I'm just going to go down by ½ an inch, and that's how we're going to be connecting our back crouch curve like so. Just go ahead to connect the points together like that. Now to be accurate, use whatever you have on your waistline for the front pattern to create a slant line for your back pattern. Please know this, people, I do not take your watching my videos or subscribing to my channel for granted. Thank you. Now by the side on the hip line, I came out by 2 inches. Now I'm just going to be adding 1 inch extra to each of my points that I've created earlier. So I added 1 inch here. Then I went ahead to connect that point, the waist area, to the hip line like this. Then I came out by 1 inch on each side of my pattern like so. Then I connected those points together, and I cut that out. Oops, I almost forgot that I have not slanted my waistline for the back. Okay, then I went ahead to cut that. Now let's move on to the pocket piece. Sorry guys, I do not know what happened to my camera here, but then I went in by 2 inches at the waist, then I went down by 7 inches by the side. So my pocket width is 7 inches on fold. If you open it up, you have 14 inches. Then the length of my pocket is 12 inches. Just watch whatever I'm doing here. Please do not be distracted. You are going to understand this. So just watch whatever I did here. So I'm just going to place my front pattern on this pocket piece, and I will shape it out this way. Then I'm just going to use, after I have shaped it out, I will open it up, then place my pocket piece right side facing right side like so. Then I'll stitch that down. Then I'll equally notch it. Now I'll place it on each other like this, because I used 2 inches to make that pocket. Then I will use that 2 inches to also mark out, and I pin that down. I'm just going to turn it out this way, then I will stitch it down also. After stitching down, do not forget to top stitch again, so that you prevent your pocket from just losing at the middle of nowhere. Okay, I'm talking based on experience. All right, so you don't want your phones to fall off, or your, I don't know, whatever you have in that pocket. So I'm just going to top stitch that point. I'll top stitch the pocket area also. Then I'm just going to place my front pattern together to sew my crouch area like this by about half an inch. Then I'll bring my back pattern to sew the sides of my back pattern to the side of my front pattern like this. We're almost done, guys. This is very simple. Just follow through. Then I'm just going to now face my back pattern together, front side facing front side, right side facing right side, either ways. Okay. So I'm now going to sew after I take the measurement of my waist area. So whatever leftover I have there, I will just join that, then I'll add my zipper. So after adding my zipper, I'm just going to stitch down the crouch, then stitch the crouch to the hem, and after I am done with that part, I will just hem my hemline. Is that correct? Okay, like this. Just watch all of this thing I'm doing, you understand. Okay, I want to create my waistband. So for my waistband, I would use a seam ripper to rip that zipper area open. Then I'll take whatever I have for my waist. So here I just cut a length of 36 inches. Then the width of this waistband is 4 inches. So when I fold this, I will have 2 inches. I will use half an inch to stitch this, and then we'll have 1.5 after we have stitched this to our trouser. So guys, what do you think? Our trouser is ready. So please give this video a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to check my channel for new videos. Okay, so, and then our trouser is ready. Here's the final look. Hey. Okay guys, I love you all. Thanks for encouraging me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.